Hello everyone, a very happy morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about the concept of heavy and light. Today we learn the concept of heavy and light. Students, have you ever think that why some objects are easily lifted and why some cannot? This is because different objects have different fate. When we classify objects on the basis of weight, we get heavy and light objects. Now students, as we will see what is heavy and what is light. A mango is light and a watermelon is heavy. A mouse is light and an elephant is heavy. One book is light and 6 books are heavy. A balloon is light and a brick is heavy. This is a weighing scale. The side which is heavy goes down and the side which is light goes up. An apple is light and a watermelon is heavy. One book is light and 6 books are heavy. A piece of cotton is light and a brick is heavy. The side is lighter because one kind is sitting here. This side is heavier because 2 kids are sitting there. The lighter side goes up and heavy side goes down. Seesaw is now balanced. Both sides have same number of kids. A forest that is full of trees. A forest that is full of trees, animals, insects, and the bees. Animals, insects, and the bees. I wish to hear the lion roar. I wish to hear the lion roar. Running behind the wild boar. Running behind the wild boar. An elephant with a baby calf. An elephant with a baby calf. A grizzly bear to make me laugh. A grizzly bear to make me laugh. A tiger comes in stalking by. A tiger comes in stalking by and birds fly up in the sky and birds fly up in the sky. A little lake in between, a little lake in between, where all animals can be seen, where all animals can be seen. I paint this picture in my mind. I paint this picture in my mind. Oh, where can I this forest find? Oh, where can I this forest find? My dream forest full of trees. Students, now sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things what we have learned since morning. Students, I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.